Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the strategies I use to make such amount right here with CPAGRIP and CPA marketing. So do watch this video right here to the end because you're going to be learning a self-clicking method which you can actually use to go on to completing your pin submit offers. So do watch this video right now and learn this exact same strategy to start replicating the same kinds of amount right here and make money online in the year 2023 and beyond. And without much introduction, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So firstly guys, you would like to come onto this platform called CPAGRIP.com because it's an amazing CPA marketing platform which you could take advantage of. All you actually have to do is to come right here, click on register if you don't have an account, of which you should be brought to the page such as this, and you want to just simply take your time to fill out this form and mostly focus more on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs. As you can see, they indicate the required fields which you must go on to fill in before your account can be created on such platforms. And for this section which says publisher type, it is quite important that you do submit and select the website/instance or the GPT, as this actually helps you get your account approved almost immediately. You can then just simply go on to filling out other sections. For the terms of services, you can read through that right here by clicking on this terms of services icon. You'll be able to read through that, and if you're okay by the terms of services, just simply come right here and check these boxes right now. So once you do check these boxes, click on register now. Your account should be created almost immediately, of which if you do log into your account, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look something similar to this. So right now guys, you want to just simply come right here, click on offer tools, and you want to click on my offers. And if you do that, you'll be shown offers right here which you can actually go on to promoting to a specific demographic right now. You could filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. Supposing I want to promote offers to the United States, I can just simply select that right now, and I will be shown offers available to that demographic right here. As you can see, all these offers are available to the United States demographic. And guys, since I want to just simply focus more on the pin submit offers, I'm just going to go on to changing this to all countries right now, and I'll be showing offers to all countries all around the world. I could then just simply go on to filtering my offers further to the pin submit category. As you can see, you do gain access to the mobile install category, the pin submit, the zip email and zip submit, the credit card submit also. But right now I'm just going to go on to selecting the pin submit offers. So guys, as you can see right now, the data is actually loading up. Once this is actually done loading, you'll be able to see offers available to this particular demographic, which is all countries around the world, and are actually pin submit offers. So guys, take a look at this right now. These are actually all pin submit offers right here. You can see right now that this offer is available to the Kuwait demographic. This one right here for Kenya, this is for France, this is for Poland, this is for the Romania, and this is for Germany, and the list keep going on, and you'll be able to see a lot of pin submit offers for various countries all around the world. So what you want to do right now is to filter your offer. You can filter your offer based on payout. If I do click on payout right now, I should be shown the highest paying offers right here. So it's going to be showing me my offers rate coming from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. And you can see that mostly the highest paying offers right here are from this demographic called Switzerland right now. And to actually do take advantage of this, you want to just simply select one of this offer right here, and you can see more details to this offer. You can see that it's an Android offer right now, that your leads will actually have to use an Android device to go on to completing this offer by submitting their phone number while going through a survey on this platform, and you do get paid $23.98 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. And that is quite amazing right now. So you want to just simply drive traffic to this offer, but before you do start self-clicking the offer yourself, you need to actually understand what this offer is all about. And since you don't speak this language right now, you can then just simply copy this text right there and actually do go onto Google to making use of the Google translator. And if I do come right here, paste in that text, I can actually do go on to see more details about this text once it has been translated. And you can see it says access the latest content. I can actually head back and copy the description right here to actually understand what that is all about. So if I head back to my Google Translator, I'm just going to go on to pasting that particular text right in here. So once that has actually been pasted, you can see that it says enter your mobile number now to get started. And right now you can see more details about this offer right now. And guys, to actually complete this offer and make sure you do earn this particular amount, you want to make sure you're using a mobile device right now, which is actually an Android device to do so. And if you do have a mobile device right there, all you actually have to do first is to just simply go onto Google and actually search for Switzerland, create a Switzerland mobile number. And you can actually see a lot of sites that can actually help you go onto creating a Switzerland mobile number. You can see that you could get a virtual phone number in Switzerland right now on many platforms right here. But the thing is that you actually have to go onto registering right there, and the registration may actually require you to pay some money right now. But if you do that, guys, you will actually legitimately get a phone number that particular location of which you can actually go on to using, and that phone number is going to be registered in your name right there. So you can actually go on to doing that right now, and you do get a phone number for this particular location right now. And to complete such offers, you want to just simply go on to maybe using a VPN right now, and you can just simply download and use the Urban VPN, of which you can actually select that location right now, which is Switzerland, and start running that. As you can see, I'm connected to Switzerland right now. I can then just simply copy the link to this offer, go onto a new tab, and actually go on to paste in that particular link right there. So if I do paste in that link and this actually loads up, as you can see, guys, I'm being brought to this page right here. I can then just simply go on to maybe scrolling through the page and actually getting more details right now. Once this is done, I can just simply click on try it is free or register for this platform right now. And in the registration process, you're going to be asked for your number. If you do go on to filling out that particular section appropriately and submitting that particular phone number, which you did get right here, and guys, if they do send you a notification right there to actually confirm that that's your phone number, you can actually do that because that is actually your number right there. And in doing so, you do get paid some cool affiliate commission right now of about $23.96 right here. So you can actually do this yourself and you do get this particular amount. And the cool thing about this is that you could also take advantage of other offers right now. So that same demographic right there, as you can see, these are actually numerous offers to that exact same demographic, which you can actually take advantage of. The offers are quite many, and just simply going to completing each offer and start earning money right now with this CPAGRIP self-clicking method. So do take advantage of this in the year 2023 and beyond. And guys, if this video was helpful to you, just simply go to keep smashing the like button, subscribing to this channel, and ensure that your notification bell is turned on all. Also guys, if you do have a question for me right now, just simply leave that question in the comment section down below. That's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.